Enjoy this summer with 6 fruity drink. Natural product drinks offer simply the ideal portion of reward on a blistering summer day. With the appropriate fixings, these recipes are healthy and tasty. New, delicious and healthy, fruity beverages are a good source of energy in the wake of a difficult day at work. By considering some fresh possibilities, you could turn the exhausting natural product juices. Into energizing fruity beverages that don't think twice about health and diet. In the event that you, in any case, feel that a little culinary push will do you great, we are here to help. Natural product drinks for summer. Investigate these refreshing recipes. Here are 6 fruity beverage recipes to appreciate this summer. Mango kiwi juice. Anything can contend with the rich kind of mango, it is the newness of kiwi. On one hand, while mango is a decent source of antioxidants, kiwi supports the resistant framework. These 2 natural products meet up to make this cool and delicious beverage that is wonderful after some break in the sun. Watermelon and cocoon. Gnawing into a watermelon and feeling immediately hydrated must be quite possibly the most invigorating parts of summer. You can lift the basic watermelon juice by adding a touch of the cocoon organic product to provide you with a moment explosion of energy. Natural product drinks for summer. Watermelon is perhaps the best natural product to cool your body. Cucumber and kiwi juice. While we have talked about that kiwi is a great source of hydration and invulnerability supporting supplements, cucumber is a vegetable that goes about as an extraordinary coolant in summers. Watermelon basil juice. The fruity beverage can be made in under 15 minutes and is the ideal jolt of energy toward the finish of a warm day. Basil can assist with controlling cholesterol and fatty oils. It additionally assists with further developing bloodstream because of the presence of magnesium. Watermelon, then again, is wealthy in antioxidants and decreases inflammation. Amraz. The beverage is loaded with a decency and kind of mangoes. By adding a perfectly measured proportion of flavors, mint leaves and lime. You can keep the mind-boggling pleasantness from covering the flavors. Natural product drinks for summer. Attempt Amraz for an invigorating joy this summer. Six. Watermelon and strawberry smoothie. The fixings are matched with low-fat yogurt and honey to give the beverage the perfect consistency and flavor. Since you have this large number of recipes, let us know which fruit drink you will go after first.